In 1949, Project Sign, which became Project Grudge, which became Project Blue Book, was concerned with the UFO problem and the problem of these giant motherships that had been observed taking positions in equatorial orbits around the Earth, and that they found that they were originating, coming from and going back to the moon Titan.
Wow.
Saturn's moon Titan.
What I found out is these things inhabit Saturn. That's where I first discovered them. And they're proliferating. They're now Uranus and Jupiter. Wherever you see some rings now, why, that's one of these.
You see the craft.
Yeah, called a Ringmaker.
So they created the solar system independent of the Earth, Sun, and Moon. And that solar system that they created that belongs to the Archons is the inorganic part of our solar system. That is to say, the inorganic planets, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, are productions of the Archons, and they are the habitat of the Archons. The Archons primarily live, as far as I can tell, in the rings and moons of Saturn.
It's hot plasma. That's the exhaust from this thing. A lot of energy.
Nobody's going to buy the statement that insect-like creatures, which is what the Archons are, could spontaneously appear in outer space because of the mysterious impact of some plasmic discharge. Because I trusted the Gnostic material, and then some years later, well, sure enough, I got confirmation that this is possible.
That's where millions are getting their energy.
When you're talking about the craft in the rings of Saturn, you're talking about something huge, right?
Yes.
If there are craft, there are beings.
Sure.
Probably the most unusual looking being was the praying mantis, something I call a praying mantis type being with ebony skin.
Black skin.
Really black. 7 feet would be.
They're very tall, like maybe 7 feet tall. Very broad shoulders, very long arms, quite hunched over mantis beings, and being on the table and seeing them, putting their hands inside of my stomach. It just feels like something being taken. And feeling that burning sensation. It's just terrifying. It's absolutely terrifying.
No one really accepts that at Saturn, those things are there. People have got to be made to understand that those things are real.